Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday, FOMC meeting. Good day, actually, and it's gonna be very interesting. Yesterday, we got a little bit negative data about the core retail sales and retail sales in US. Today, we have FOMC meeting 6 p.m. GMT with crude oil before that, 2:30 p.m. GMT, crude oil inventories, core CPI to 12:30 GMT, and interest rate decision, of course, at the same time as the FOMC meeting, 6 p.m. GMT, very volatile and important events. Thursday, we have interest rate decision in UK for the Great British Pound, 12 GMT. After that, initial jobless claims 30 minutes later. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, important currently, 12:30 GMT, and that's how we're gonna finish Thursday. And Friday, nothing pretty much. Core retail sales in Canada, 12:30, and Bank of Japan press conference, 2:30 after midnight in the morning, AM GMT. What's more interesting, as usual, of course, the charts. Euro US dollar, we talked about it, so many people are asking me, is this downtrend? Yes, according to definition, it could be considered as a downtrend, but don't forget what kind of uptrend we have here. So US dollar really depends on the Federal Reserve currently. Are they going to continue printing money, or they're going to make like a U-turn? But I don't believe they're going to change soon, anytime soon, their decision to continue printing money and releasing these coronavirus stimulus bill. So because of this, I definitely think there is a lot of room for the US dollar to fall down. So be careful by taking short trades on Euro US dollar, but at the same time, Euro US dollar is not pretty clear in terms of trading opportunities, so I wouldn't trade just this currency pair in the next couple of days. GBP US is much more clear. As you can see, we have a beautiful uptrend even from here. Correction, slight continuation, again a continuation to the downside, but the price, it seems the price is struggling to break lower. I was expecting actually to see 1.37, a round number, as a support line, but it seems the price is creating support level around these levels, 1.3812. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer before I put my new support level here, but for now it seems it's a strong one. GBP US, of course, is going to be a potential opportunity to buy, but for now I would wait a little bit. Australian US. By the way, about the GBP, don't forget about the interest rate. Quick reminder on Thursday, 12 GMT. About the Australian dollar, is performing worse than the Great British Pound, as you can see, going within a tight range, 0.7822, 0.7655, and now it's staying in the middle. You know my opinion about it, no man's land. It's just in the middle of the boundaries, and I don't pay attention on such a currency pairs. So that's why I'm going directly to New Zealand US, kind of similar like the Australian dollar, of course, nothing surprising. And we have the New Zealand heading to 0.71. These are the boundaries, 0.71, 0.7239, and we just have to wait. Yes, the trend is up, as the Australian USD, the trend is up, but for now, just there is a little bit mess around these levels, so I would wait a little bit longer to see more clear picture here. USD CAD going directly to crude oil because it's interesting price action we have here. 63.82, strong support level, the price tested and trying to bounce back to the upside. As you can see, pretty clear, tested the support is 63.82 as we put actually on Monday. We can see continuation and breakout of this support. We have crude oil inventories today, 2:30 p.m. It's crucial event for the crude oil. Close the gap here, so I'm just really, I would wait a little bit longer to see if it's gonna break out, because if it breaks out, there will be a lot of room to go down. But if not, we can see another push to the upside of the crude. So following the crude oil logic, let's take a look USD Canadian. USD going down, correction, continuation, testing 1.2466. This is not enough to call it breakout of the support level, guys. We talk about just 20-30 pips, so the reversal against it, correction to the upside is pretty possible. 1.2623, test of these resistance levels is very possible. So don't take any short trades on USD Canadian. I wouldn't, at least. If you would like to, of course, more than welcome, but I think it's risky. USD Swiss, we talked many times about it. I don't consider that as an uptrend. We have a very strong downtrend here, as you can see, and just this is bigger than usual correction. We have momentum, slight bounce, and continuation in order to head to 0.92, heading to 0.92 round number, very strong support level. If we see breakout of this support, definitely we're gonna see USD Swiss tanking to the downside. 0.9010 is the next support level, so we talk about 250 pips away from the current price. USD Swiss soon could be very good short trade. And the USD Japan, exactly the same like USD Swiss. I'm not discussing here buying opportunities, ignoring completely this big correction, 620 pips, because USD Japan is pretty likely doing this corrections to the upside after the downtrend, big correction, and big drop after that. Of course, I'm hunting right now for good shorting opportunities, and of course I'm gonna take when I see such. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, thumbs up, share us, and like us on the social medias. This is how you help our channel. You subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course, as well, in order to get updated for the last videos that I'm recording and uploading. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Good luck and have a very profitable week. Bye bye.